Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to become a DHgate affiliate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, of course, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to DHgate. But if you do not know how to do that, you can go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of videos where you can see how you can actually go and do it. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So here, as you can see, we have the search bar and all of the categories on this website. Also in the top right corner, we have your name, you have your recently viewed stuff, your favorites, and your shopping cart. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and become a DHgate affiliate. So first of all, what you need to do guys is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. First of all, what you need to do is go, as you can see on this link, so aff.dhgate.com. So that is the link. You can see it here at the top left corner. And here you will be greeted by a screen like this. Here guys, you just need to go and click on Enter Workplace, and you can go and see some more things about the affiliate program. So basically what you need to do is, if you're logged in already, you can just go and click Enter Workplace, and they will go and connect you to becoming an affiliate on the DHgate program. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us with our channel and the channel growth. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this. So guys, that'll be everything as I said for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.